Hermit perhaps returning alone, wandering city. Okay, so yung returning, I think, is a reversal indicator. So, babalik ta rin ang word na alone. So, magiging inola. Then, yung wandering city is an anagram. So, i-anagram si city. La city. La city, city. Okay, so yung definition is hermit perhaps. Ano ba yung hermit? Parang isolated, naka-isolate. Wala akong maisip na word. Ano ba yung pagkaka-identify ko ng mga indicators? Okay, let's use indicator. Okay, so tama. So, wala namang ibang words na pasok yung 9 letters nila sa answer. So, yung alone, 5 letters, city, 4. So, I think ito yung lalaruin. So, alone, possible merong substitution sa word na alone or sa city. Oh, right. Mali. City pala ang definition. Ang gagamitan ng reversal indicator is hermit perhaps. I think hanap ako ng substitute. So, alone ang anagram. So, ano yung hermit perhaps? I think hindi siya direct translation ng hermit. Yung ermitanyo. Wait lang, meron ko naisip eh. Wait lang kung pasok ba. Pasok. Barcelona. Okay, so paano naging Barcelona? Check mo na. Tama. Bye.